feeling fresh today. The office is still quiet. It's a good time to check out.
Yes, right.
Morning up. I brought the record from Mr. Davis. Also, any update on the second request?
Yes, the supplier confirmed the new oscilloscope will arrive this Friday.
Finally, the current one's been active up since last month. Definitely overdue.
Right. It's been hard to trust the reading lately, especially for signal diagnostic. It's so really hard.
The new model is more advanced, testing sampling rate, and weather memory, and a touchscreen interface.
That should really help with the testing workflow. Are they sending someone to set it up?
Yes, there's an technician to install. It will give out as a quite training session.
Perfect. You should clear the testing test and label the current connection before that.
I'll also back up the lights test logs and export the configuration just in case.
Sounds good. Our handler will check this and update the current inventory.
Thanks, Dave. Let's make sure everything ready before Friday. Okay, it's time for you to go home.
Okay, let's go.